Hello, Pat.
Hello, teacher.
Hi, hello. How are you? How are you? You're fine? How are you? Ah, no. Again, louder. Can you make your voice a bit louder? How are you?
I'm 7.
You're so?
7.
Ah, sleeping? You're sick?
No.
What happened?
I'm very good.
Ah, so you're not that happy tonight. You are? Okay, so even though you're not feeling well, I hope you will learn tonight, okay? Just listen to teacher, okay? Pat?
Yes.
Okay. And make sure you make your voice a bit louder, okay? So the teacher can hear you, alright? Okay. So we are now here. I will start my share screening. Oh, wait. So that you can see me clearly. Alright. For a while. Okay, I'm starting my class tonight and we are, what lesson are we now? Lesson
30.5.
32.5, and that is about
Fruits.
fruits. Yeah, we are not yet done with fruits, but this is the last lesson for fruits. Okay? Okay, so you have to listen so that you will learn for tonight. Oh, before we will proceed with our lesson, let's do vocabulary first. Let's know first some fruits, okay?
Yes.
All right, now here we go. How many fruits are there on the screen? How many? Count.
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. Now, what is the color of the first fruit? This one. What is the color? Color?
Green.
Green. How about this one? What color?
Green.
Green also. It's yellow, green. And the last one, color? What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Great. It's yellow. Ah, this first one is, what's this?
Apple.
Ah, it's what we called as custard apple. Have you tried eating custard apple? Did you eat this one already?
Yes.
Yes. How does it taste? Sweet or sweet or bitter? Is it sweet? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, custard apple is a sweet kind of fruit. Now here, let's go to the second fruit. We have here, this one. How to read this?
Durian.
Durian. Now, have you tried eating durian?
Yes.
Yes. That's this one. Look at the skin of the durian. It's spiky. If you touch it, maybe your hands here will be hurt because it is spiky. Can you say it? Spiky. Louder. Okay, spiky. Next, the last fruit we have here is what kind of fruit is this?
Fruit.
Oh, star fruit. You know why it is called star fruit? Because if you cut it, it will have a star shape. That is why they call this as star fruit. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, so again, can you tell me the 3 fruits on my screen? First, what is the first one?
Custard apple.
Oh, custard. Again,
Custard
apple.
apple.
All right. Second,
Durian.
durian. Next, third.
Star fruit.
Oh, great. Star fruit. Custard apple, durian, and star fruit. Great. Next. Oh, I have here how many fruits? How many? There are 3. Okay. Can you tell me the color of the first fruit? What's the color? A purple fruit. Second, what's the color?
Pink.
Pink. The third one is color
Blue.
blue. Okay, let us know first the names of the fruits that I have here. The first one is, how to read it?
Passion fruit.
Oh, okay, it's called passion fruit. Okay, the second, very good. Now, second one, listen, number 2. Oh, what is that?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. Have you tried eating dragon fruit?
Yes.
Yes. Is it delicious or not?
Yes.
Yes, it's delicious. Next, let's go to the third kind of fruit. Listen to the third. That is, what is that?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Have you tried eating blueberries?
Yes.
Yes. Delicious or not?
No.
No. So here, passion fruit, dragon fruit, and blueberry. What fruit here do you like? What do you like? Passion fruit, dragon fruit, blueberry. I like
Passion fruit.
I like passion fruit. You say, how about I don't like?
Dragon fruit.
I don't like dragon fruit. Okay, only the passion fruit. Now here, what is your favorite fruit? Okay, we have there 6, right? We have 6. Okay, let's review the 6. Listen. All right, wait. Okay, we have here custard apple, durian, star fruit. We have passion fruit, dragon fruit, blueberry. Now, what is your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? Say, my favorite fruit is what's your favorite fruit, Pat?
Durian.
Durian. Oh, say, my favorite fruit is durian. Again, my
Blue fruit.
say it. My favorite fruit is durian. Say it.
My favorite fruit is durian.
Very good. My favorite fruit is Durian. Great. Next. We have here add one up. So we are going to read all the words here and you're going to tell me if which of there is not a fruit. Okay? Not a fruit. Next. How about number 1? What's the first one? Please read. What is this?
Durian.
Durian. This one.
School.
School. This one.
Lime.
Lime. Okay. Durian, school, lime. Wait. I will write first. Okay. Durian, school, lime. Which among the three is not a fruit?
School.
School. Okay, I will encircle school because school is your answer. Right. How about number 2? Okay, number 2. Please read number
Book.
2. Book. This one.
Banana.
Banana. This one.
Custard apple.
Okay. Book, banana, custard apple. Which is not a fruit?
Book.
Book. Teacher will encircle it for you. Next. How about number 3? Okay, please read.
Star fruit.
Star fruit.
Bus.
Bus. Wait, I will remove this one.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen. So star fruit, bus, and mangosteen. Which is not a fruit?
Bus.
Bus. Okay, we will encircle bus. Right. Now, number 4. Please read number 4.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. This one.
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. Ruler. Blueberry, jackfruit, ruler. Which is not a fruit?
Ruler.
Ruler. Your answer is ruler. Next. How about number 5? Go. Read. Please read.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Pen.
Pen.
Lime.
Lime. Passion fruit, pen, and lime. Which is not a fruit. Which is not a fruit. Pen. I will encircle pen. Now, it's time for us to check if your answer is correct. Now, let's go to number 1 first. Durian, school, lime. Let's check if which among the 3 is not a fruit. Okay, number 1. Very good. Great job, Pat. You're always correct. Next, number 2. Book, banana, and custard apple. Your answer is, what's your answer? What's your answer, number 2? Pat? What's your book? Let's try to check. Great job. Very good. Next, star fruit, bus, and mangosteen. Your answer is? Your answer is?
Bus.
Bus. Let's try to check. Great again. Good job. It's bus. Next, number 4. Blueberry, jackfruit, and ruler. Your answer is ruler, and it's correct. Next, number 5. Passion fruit, pen, and lime. Your answer is pen, and the correct answer for number 5 is pen. you got perfect. Excellent work. No mistake. Great job. Now, let's go to next slide. Oh, here. Read and check. Okay, let's read and check. Okay, look at number 1. Please read number 1.
Custard apple.
Ah, custard apple. Number 2.
1.
This one. Read first number 2.
Durian.
Durian. Next, number 3.
Star fruit.
Star fruit. Number 4 is
Blueberry.
blueberry. Now here, look at the picture. Okay, wait. I will write. Okay, look at the picture. What number is the custard apple? 1, 2, or 3? Your answer is 1. Check. Ah, how about number 2? Where is the durian? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
3. Let's try. Check. Ah, how about it? Number 3. Star apple. Where is star apple? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. Ah, 1. How about number 4? Blueberry. Where is blueberry? 1, 2, or 3?
1.
1. Ah, let's try to check your answer. Number 1 is looking for custard apple. Where is custard apple? Let's check your word. Custard apple. Wait. All right. Correct. Great job. Custard apple is in number 1. How about durian? Let's try to find out where is durian. It's in number 3 and you got it. Very good. Great work. Next, number 3, star fruit. Where is the star fruit? 1, 2, or 3? Let's try to check. Very good. Next, number 4, blueberry. Let's try to check where is the blueberry. Oh, this one is a mistake. This one is not a blueberry. Blueberry is this. So there is a problem with the computer. Okay? This one is alive. This one is a blueberry. And because of that, you got excellent work. No mistake. Okay? All are checked. 1, 2, 3, 4, all are checked. Great work. Now, before we proceed, can you tell me the names of this? What is this kind of fruit again? This is?
Star apple.
How about this one? What's this?
Onion.
It's not onion. What is this?
Guava.
Guava. Right. This one, what is this?
Melon.
Melon. How about this one? What is this?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit. This one?
Coconut.
Coconut. This one? What is this?
Durian.
Durian. Yes, it's a durian. How about this one? What is this? It's a?
Star fruit.
Star fruit. This one is a? What's this? It starts with letter P. Pa, pa, pa.
I don't know.
Oh, you forgot. This one is passion fruit. What is this again?
Passion fruit.
Oh, yes, great. How about this? What is this?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit. This one?
Blueberry.
Blueberry, lime, and kiwi. Great. So I will erase first what I wrote in here. So very good. Pat. Next. Now you are going to write the names of the fruit. Okay, this one. What is the name of this fruit? Can you tell me? What is this?
P.
Letter P.
A.
A.
S. S.
S.
O. P.
E. Is it E?
I.
Next.
I. O.
O.
N.
N. Very good. So can you please read it? Do you? Okay, please read.
Passion fruit.
Oh, do you like passion fruit, Pat? Yes, or do. Yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Yes, I do. Now, how about this one? What is this fruit?
Thank you.
What do you call to this? Letter? Oh, let S. Next.
S. T.
T.
R.
A. Not A. A and
T.
T.
R.
R. Okay. Star fruit. Okay, please read.
Thank you.
Please read, Pat. Do you? Go. Please read this one. Do you?
Do you like star fruit?
Oh, do you like star fruit? Yes, I do, or no, I don't.
No, I don't.
Oh, no, I don't. Next, how about this one? What is the name of this fruit? Letter? Oh, sige. What is this?
C. C.
C. Next.
A.
A?
No, no.
Oh, no, A. U. Yes. Next.
S.
S. Next. Oh, you don't forgot. Letter T. Next to letter T. Cos.
Cause.
It is called custard apple. Oh, it's custard apple. Can you spell custard apple?
A. R.
A and
R.
R and letter
B.
E. Yes. So please read. Do you? Go.
Do you like custard apple?
Again, custard.
Custard.
Okay. Do you like custard apple? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. What's your answer? Yes, I do. Very good. Now, how about this one? What is this? What is this? Letter?
E. I. I.
E-I?
No.
No. Letter?
E. I. No.
I? Next to I.
A.
A. Next to A.
N.
N. It's Durian. Now, please read. Do you like? Go.
Do you like durian?
Do you like durian? Yes.
I do.
Yes, I do. Now here,
There you go.
let's try to check if your answers are correct. Now here, do you like this one? You write this as passion fruit. Oh, let's try to check passion. Let's try. Passion. Great. So I will give you 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Next, here. Do you like star fruit? Let's try to check if it is a star fruit. S-T-A-R. Great. Very good again. So I'll give you 3 hearts. 1, 2, 3. 3 hearts for you because you got it. Next. Oh, sorry. Here, do you like? Your answer here is custard apple. Let's try to check. C-U-S-T-A-R-D. Ah, correct again. So I will give 3 stars. 1, 2, 3. All right. Next, this one. Do you like durian? Let's try to check your durian. If it's the correct answer, I-A-N. Great. Very good. Durian. Because of that, teacher Jessa will give 3 star. And since you got perfect in here, excellent work, I'll give you 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hearts for you and 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So many stars. Very good, Pat. Keep up the good work. You're so good. Next. Oh, here. Wait, I will erase first. Okay. Do you know this game? Do you know this game? It's a game. Yeah. What's the name of the game?
And he is zombies.
It's called Plants versus Zombies. All right. So this type of game is what we call as Plants versus Zombies. This is how zombies looks like. They are walking dead. They are dead, but still, they're still walking. And they will eat the plants. That's how these games are played. Next. Okay. We have here, it says, please help me to save my garden. He says, please help me to save my garden. Look at that. These are the zombies and these are the, what are these? These are the plants. So these zombies here wants to get inside the house and will eat the people inside. But there are plants that will kill the zombies. They will protect this place so that the zombies can't enter in the house. So that is how they work. All right. Next. Oh, wait. Why am I here? So here. I have here a game. Okay, let's have a game. So I have here. What is this?
This is a mango.
Oh, your answer is this is a mango. Let's try to check. Yes, it's a mango. Next. No, this one. What fruit is it?
Pear.
Pear. Let's try to check if it's a pear. Great. Next. How about, oh wait. This one. They are, what is this?
Dragon fruit.
They are dragon fruit. Let's try to check. They are dragon fruit. Great. Next. Are they star fruit and lime or star fruit and plum?
Star fruit and plum.
Star fruit and plum. Let's try. Great. Great. Very good. Correct. This one. What are they? What are they? Jackfruit and strawberry, durian and rambutan,
And strawberry.
durian and strawberry, or jackfruit and persimmon. What's the answer again?
Durian and strawberry.
Durian and strawberry. Let's try to check if it's durian and strawberry. Wow. Next, what do you see? Can you tell me what do you see?
Longan and passion fruit.
Longan and passion fruit. Let's try. Great. Very good. Next, what can you see? What can you see there?
Coconut and guava.
Oh, coconut and guava. Coconut and guava. Let's try. Very good. It's coconut and guava. Next. Okay. Feel and much. All right. Much. Okay. Now here. Wait, I'm gonna draw lines. Okay, here. Okay. What fruit is this? This is what's this? What fruit is this? What's the name of this fruit? Orange. Where is the pear of the orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Where is the pear? Number? What number, Pat?
6.
6. Okay, I'll write. There you go. Next, this one. What fruit is this? What's this?
Rambutan.
Rambutan. Okay. Where is rambutan? Number 3. Let's try number 3. Okay, your answer is number 3. Next, what fruit is this?
Pear.
It's a pear. Now, where is the pear? What number? Number
5.
5. Okay, I'll write line going to number 5. Next, how about this one? What fruit is this? What's the name of that fruit?
Durian.
Durian. Yes, it's a durian. What number? Number
Number 4.
Number 4. Number 4. This one. What is this? What's this? Okay, this one. What is this? What fruit is this? This is a... Can you tell me this fruit? What's the name?
Coconut.
Coconut. Now, where is coconut? Where's the pear of the coconut? Number... What number, Pat? Coconut. Coconut. Where is you? Where are you, coconut? Come on. Tell me what number is coconut. 1 or 2? Number 2. All right. Number 2. And this one is a...
1.
What is? First. Name first. What's the name?
Cherry.
Cherry. Number 1. Okay. Now, since you have already done answering, let's try to find out if your answer is correct. First, again, what is this again? What fruit is this? And what's this? What is this?
Orange.
Orange. Ah, let's try to check if the orange is in number 6. Ah, very good. Now, this one. What is this again? What is this? This is a... What's the name of this again, Pat?
Rambutan.
Ah, rambutan. Okay, let's try to check if rambutan is in number 3. Great. Very good, Pat. Very good. Next. This is a... What is this? What's this? This is... What's the name of this? Pear. Oh, let's try to check. Very good again. And this one is... What's this? This is durian. Oh, let's try to check your durian. All right. Next. This name. What is this name?
Coconut.
Coconut. Okay, coconut. Oh, see that? You got it right. And the last one we have here, cherry. Let's try to find out if the last fruit is also correct like the others. Cherry. There you go. Very good, Pat. You got it right. No mistake. All are check, 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 check. Okay, wait. Let me erase first everything that I wrote. Okay, there you go. We have here orange, rambutan, pear, durian, coconut, and cherry. Next. Oh. All right, so that is the end of the class that we had. But before I say goodbye, let me do review. Okay, let's try to review if you remember what we learned for tonight. Now, can you give me 10 fruits that we talked about tonight? 10 fruits, okay? 10. Teacher is asking for 10. Okay? So, number 1. Give me one fruit that you still remember.
Durian.
Durian. Second.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Third.
Lemon.
Lemon. Fourth.
Apple.
Apple. Fifth.
Guava.
Guava. Sixth.
Star fruit.
Star fruit. Seventh.
Plantains.
Again.
Mangosteen.
It's a mangosteen. Again.
Mangosteen.
Okay, mangosteen. Eighth. What is the eighth one?
Mango.
Mango. Next, the ninth one.
Melon.
Melon. And the other one?
Banana.
Huh? Again?
Orange.
Orange. Now, how about the one that has a shape like this?
Star fruit.
Star fruit. How about the first name? It is a fruit that has two names. The second one is apple. What is the first name of that? Black apple. It starts with letter C. And then U.
Stop. Apple.
Great. Custard apple. How about the fruit that is spiky? Spiky.
Durian.
Durian. Great. How about the fruit that monkeys like?
Banana.
Banana. How about the fruit that is color red and then the seeds are found outside? Red and the seeds are found outside.
Apple.
Again? It starts with letter S. It is red and then the seeds of the fruit is found outside. Starts with letter S.
No.
Straw. 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 Strawberry. Right?
Strawberry.
Yeah. Red. And then the seeds are found outside. So that is strawberry. How about this one? You answered this last week. Okay. Let me try to review you if you still remember. Okay. This kind of fruit is big, circle, green color outside, but red inside. Big, circle, fruit, which is color green. Look at here, color green outside, but it is red inside. What fruit is that?
Watermelon.
Watermelon! Great! How about this one? I know you got confused in this. Last question. A kind of fruit wherein it is name of a color and also it is its name. A fruit that is named as One of the
Orange.
colors. Orange. Yes. Very good. Excellent work. Still remember. Great job. Okay. So I guess that would be all for tonight. I had a great time with you. Very good, Pat. Pat, look at me. Very good. You still remember it. Very good. I am trying to review you of what we had last week, yet you still remember. Great job. Okay? Keep up the good work, Pat, and I will see you on Monday. Because not Monday, Saturday, because teacher will not be here or will not have class on Friday because it's New Year. Okay, it's New Year here in my country, and we celebrate New Year with our family. So I will see you on Saturday. So goodbye, Pat.
Goodbye, teacher.
I had a great night with you. So good. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.